Сабан үзэгчтэй. Өнөөдрийнхөө видеогоор буюу GTA 5 буюу GTA 5-ын 2 дугаар анги харуулж байхдаа бүгд баяртай байна. Бүгдээрээ миний YouTube channel буюу subscribe дараад өгөөрэй дэмжиж. За эндээс өмнөх ангин дээрээ гинт дууссан. Бүгдээрээ Майклин гэрлөө явцгаая. GTA 5-ын Story Mode. Ламар салгаж байна.
What's up, homie?
Hey, look, Chop got to stay around your crib for a while, homie. That's cool.
Yeah, man, it's cool. Shit's the best place for him anyway.
Like it ain't nobody out there gunning for your black ass. Bullshit, nigga. Just take care of it, man. All right?
All right, I got you, dog.
Ламар гэдэг нөгөө нэг манай нөгөө нэг хамгийн анх танилцчихсан найз менежерч нийлэхээр бас түгээ штэ бас. За босон. За Майкл юу гэж байна? Yeah! What the fuck?
Hey, you! Stop it!
What's up, man?
Get out of my way.
Michael, calm down.
What the fuck is going on?
Nothing happened. It was a
She
misunderstanding.
fucked a prick in my bed.
Bullshitting.
It wasn't like that.
You in?
Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this mother.
Just don't kill him!
Ихнэр нь Майкл ихнэр нь йогийн багштайгаа л та.
Guy found
Энэ теннисний дасгалжуулагч гинэ.
guy I'm paying to teach her tennis.
Tennis court? Oh, that's
Tennis court?
man. Chris dudes, homie. You know, back in the hood, and we gotta watch out for the mailman, dog.
Yeah, I'm a cuckold, a snob, and a fucking cliche.
Хүү ямар
Trash.
фэд имптэйгээ хурж ирэхсэн мөрж наач.
I ain't gonna let him get away.
Straight ahead, man.
What the fuck is he doing?
Hey, get out the way.
Motherfucker!
Fuck, man, I think we lost his ass.
He lives somewhere up in the canyon. We'll find him. Where'd that slimy little white fucker go? Okay, this is the turn.
Hey, he in one of these fucking houses.
He left his car.
Ямар
Check
хурдан
it out.
ирцтэй.
Little pricks up there. Look.
Oh, shit. Coach doing all right for himself.
Зөөц.
Hey, asshole! You ran off before we could settle our debts. Michael, what? You got the wrong idea, man. Banging married women's a hobby, not a fucking profession. There's a winch in the back of
За
the truck.
амшаасаа буучлаа.
Tied a cable to one of those supports up there.
You finna pull his deck down?
Hey, that prick pulled my marriage down.
Man, you really gonna be this fucking dramatic?
Yeah, whatever.
I told you I comped the session, bud.
But there were a lot of freaking sessions, bud. I'm thinking you were working on more than just her backhand.
Mandy's backhand has come a long way, bro. But sometimes it's gotta get worse to get better.
Yeah, well, maybe I should come up there and practice my backhand. On your face!
Bud, your negative energy is seriously bringing me down.
Oh, I hope it is.
Чи галзуураа намайг доош нь буулгаж чадахгүй л гэдэг шүү.
Take my money and nail my wife? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm gonna stick up my hand and say that was uncool, bud. My bad. Seriously.
How fucking magnanimous!
За намайг уучлаарай. Би галзуурсан байжээ.
Motherfucker!
Би чамайг өршөөнөж одоо новшимнаа л гэдэг шүү.
Fuck with your shit!
Well, hey,
Wait! You got the wrong idea, pal! Here we go!
За би татсан.
Let's see what happens!
Dude, you are probably crazy.
What the ямар хүчтэй юм бэ те?
Shit, dog. Do it, man. Fucking do it.
Яа, бааш нураачдаг guys.
Man, I think that shit's coming down, man.
Ёо, энэ машин дэргийн зүгээр яа игээд байгаа бэ? Хүрээ. Holy shit.
Yeah! Come on!
Fuck.
Чи Майкл чи ямар амар хэрэгс юм бэ?
Fuck his ass!
Yeah, fuck him. But was we really trying to pull that dude
Аль
off?
өндөг байшиг нураагаа ичлаа.
Hey, we were trying to teach him a fucking lesson.
Now that's an expensive bitch ass lesson, man.
Maybe he'll keep it on the court and out of my wife.
Yeah, he not taking no housewives back to that motherfucker.
Hey, it's a service to the fucking community.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Энэ Bopit ямар хүчтэй юм бэ?
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just fucking terrified. Green light, green light. Madrazo. Fuck you.
Хөө буудаж гэнэ өө.
Got some heavies on us, homie.
Oh, that was quick. All right, help me deal with this.
I'll give it a go, man. Keep trying.
We can handle this, right? Screw 'em.
Frankly, my bro.
If these are Mark Madrazo's boys, man, it's a lot more where they came from.
Got one of those bastards. Uh-oh, that guy got it.
I think we lost him.
All right, let's go back home. Wow, shit, you did good. I mean, I don't know if you hit anyone because your aim's all over the place, but I appreciate the backup.
Ah, thank you. Are you sure I didn't hit?
Maybe go to a shooting range and work on your aim before we go out again. Whew. Hey, thanks for the help out there today, kid. I had no idea it was gonna get that hot.
Shit, pulling houses off the hillside sure has a weird way of fucking with people.
Yeah, well, I thought I was through with all that shit. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Shit, I think we're about to find out.
Номшигч хийрч вэ? What the fuck?
You know who I am? Do you know who I am? Do you?
No.
Who you? You?
I think so.
Good. I know who you are. I know where you live. Who are you?
I'm Frank.
Nice.
Чи хэм бэ? Franklin. Бичгээр төвзүүлэх нэ.
Now, Frank.
Хуруу авчдаг шүү.
Hell, Mr. DeSanta here. Who am I?
I think Martin Madrazo.
Good boy. Now maybe give him a little of the background.
Чи бол сайн залуу. Энэ бол муу залуу гэнэ.
Mr.
Аа, энэ нөгөө нэг юу шүү дээ. Тенсний нөгөө нэг
wrongfully accused of running a Mexican
тасалжуулагчтай хамт байсан эмэгтэй шүү дээ.
but the charges was dropped because of the witnesses came up missing.
Smart head. Now, Michael, got a question for you.
Юу вэ?
Did you an architect, significant, modernist, wonder home down the hillside in Vinewood Hills? I thought the owner was banging my wife.
Бейсболыг зөвхөрөөр зөвхүүлчлээ.
early.
Амар өвдөж байгаа бах та.
Well, Natalia.
Мэргэл мапын мод нэг гэнги боослох таас.
One shit. Sure.
Энэ тенсний коуч ихнэр нь ихнэрийнх нь
Will be somewhere in the
аав юм уу энэ одоо?
5 million range.
Of course.
Great.
Хүү цаац нүлмээ ажиллуу бүр
Nice.
гайхалтай таалагдж байна. Яаж доромжуулж байна бро?
Never better.
Би хизээш ингэж доромжлож байгаагүй л.
Looks like I'm gonna have to postpone my retirement.
Зойлоо. Ношич.
I'm mortgaged up to my
Тэрмүүдийг нэг
eyeballs.
болгож тавина.
I only know one way to make money. I'm gonna have to give an old friend a call. Lester. I think he's in town somewhere.
Гэтэ Франклигийн
Track him down.
үнэмлэгийг аваа явуулчихлаа шүү дээ.
Just give me a little alone time, alright? Alright, go.
За амжилттай билүүллээ.
Hello. Is this still the number for Lester Crest?
Who's asking?
Who's asking? Who's asking?
You're awful cagey. Even for a dead man, Michael.
Ooh, you don't sound good, buddy.
Tactful and charming even in death. Come see me, old friend. I'm living in Los Santos, just like you. Murrieta Heights.
Whoa, whoa, wait. Hey, how do you... Hello? You fucker.
Check mod actor unlock Amanda. Amanda-гийн захирал unlock саяны тэр гайч Амандагийн эхнэр нь байхгүй юу? Аманда гэдэг нь Майкли. Эхнэрийн захирал нь эсэл юм байна л да. Тэгээд мань хүн юм хийж чадав. Тэгээгээс бол мань хүн ч бол зүгээр буу гарч ирэл буудчих л та.
Doc, hey.
Michael, I'm looking through my appointment book and I don't see your name.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a walk-in guy, Doc. You know that.
Walk-ins are more expensive, but I'm always happy to accommodate.
Sure, you'll accommodate me as long as I got money in my pocket, right? Hey, I'm in a bad way, Doc. I might come by soon.
Chips идэл кино үзэлээ.
Those hermaphrodites born without genitals.
Jimmy! God damn it.
The fuck you doing? Nothing? Really? Because I keep hearing hermaphrodite this, suck cock that.
Go away.
What?
Холдороо л
Go
гэж.
watch your linear entertainment. Go watch porn. Just go
Баг
away.
манай багяалаа. Ёо.
Fuck!
Disrespectful little asshole!
I can't believe you did that. That's my TV.
You don't talk to me like that.
I can't believe you. Mom was right about you. You don't know any better and you can't help it, but you're an asshole.
Yeah, well, why don't you do something then? Besides just stand there. Why don't you hit?
Is that what you want, to be hit by your son?
Yeah. No. I just want you to do something.
Тэмээ би чиний хүү гэсэн чи тийм ээ.
Yeah, great. Thanks for the fucking guidance, Dad. It means a lot.
Wait.
Ер нь Майкли характер ер нь бол юу юм байна л да. Ер нь тийм ууртай, ширүүн, тогшин.
Nothing says I love you like smashing my fucking TV. Nothing at all.
Жими гэдэг нь болохоор энэ хүүхэд нь Хоёр хүүхэдтэй.
Sorry. Just wish we could do things together.
What things?
I don't know. Go for walks. Play ball.
You know I have bad glands.
Bike ride then.
Bike ride. You want to go on a fucking bike ride? Fine, fine, let's go on a fucking bike ride. We'll take a bike ride along Vespucci Beach, and I'll show you just what you want to see. This day was
Bike
going
rental
so
stand
well
гэнэ.
until you showed up. You know that?
Дугуй түрээсэлтэй газар юм.
You're lucky to even be allowed out of the house after that boat stunt.
What's the big deal? If anything goes wrong, you can just fake your death and start all over. How am I meant to develop my own moral sensibilities when yours are so unbelievably fuck-faced? If I'm hanging with you, I'm listening to my music.
Oh, hella yeah. Don't push me.
Seriously, some guys borrow your bow.
Burrow. You were hiding in the head crying kidnap.
They just took receipt of your property with payment pending.
If it was anything other than what you told me, then that's on you.
All right, they fucking stole it. And who knows what they would have done if they found me. But I didn't expect or want them to get killed.
You think I'm gonna let some guys ride off with my son?
Look, I knew you were a bad guy, but
Oh, a bad guy.
a crook, a killer, a thief, a liar.
I guess I've been all those things one time or another, right? It's just,
What?
I always thought I was the good guy.
God help the morally bankrupt planet your generation have left us if you're the good guy.
Yeah.
Anyway, I always knew you were the kind of person who didn't
Сайн
let other people
залуу.
get in the way, but I hadn't like seen that happen before.
Yeah, well, that's me, Jim. And I've been trying my best to get things under control for the last 10 years. But that was an extreme fucking situation, and I had to act.
A normal person wouldn't have done that.
Yeah, well, I had to protect you.
Here we are, the bike rental place. Please don't shoot the bike rental guy out of like force of habit.
Дугуй түрээсэлнэ. Тэндээс дугуй түрээслээ. Би одоо Жими хүүтэйгээ уралдах юм бах та.
Hey, you!
Гой дугуй нунаа.
I'll take this one.
If I make it to the end of the pier first, you're gonna buy me a big-ass new flat screen.
End of the pier, fine. But if you lose, you're gonna do something with your life.
Give it up, Dad. You've gone to sea. In this kind of condition, a triathlon would kill you. I'd never bike with the man who murked my flat screen.
All that smack talk ain't gonna put me off my stride.
If you like the beach so much, bury yourself out here.
Hey, don't they have fitness video games you can play now?
You'll die first, old man. Right after you buy the TV.
It's not the winning, James. It's the taking part that counts.
За залуу Майкл вэ? Олон жилийн оймс илээсэн юм байна нэг хүүхдтэй нэг хожигдохгүй байгаа хэвээр. Жигээд үг. Жими хаана вэ? Байхгүй сураг.
What should I do? Oh my god.
Юу хүчүүдээ амьгүй болж. Чи эцчлээ. My bro. Памин яваад шүү дээ. Эцээд багш. Жими ямар гүц юм ш. Замас олдраа. Жими ой, араас жиж ой. Трэма.
Suck at buying your own TV.
Жими гэхдээ тоглосоор байгаа л
This is real.
гэртээ ер нь тоглосон. Тоглоодын агаар салхинд гардуу нэг тийм.
Yeah, I'm giving it my best shot. Come on, we're having fun, right?
Тэгээд аав нь тэгээ уурсандаа тэгээд зургтыг хаглаад тэгээд хамтдаа
Why do I
цуг
have to hold your hand through this whole midlife
Агаар нь
crisis bullshit? And why don't
агаарт
you
гарангаа те
Tracy's
дугуугаар уралдаж байгаа юм
Because
байна.
Tracy doesn't buy cars she can't afford, so that thugs break in our house. Tracy doesn't get kidnapped or destroy my yacht.
Well, that's just because she's too busy getting fucked by dudes to get on TV.
You don't talk about your sister that way.
Well, I'm sorry, but it's true. I mean, according to her Life Invader page, she's hanging out with producers and porno guys this afternoon.
What are you talking about?
Actually, it's all happening right out there. That boat that makes yours look like a refugee raft?
What?
You know the kind of boat. The one that makes a young,
Зовн дээр
impressionable girl drop her pants and spread her legs.
This is the reason you brought me here.
зов хүртэл уралдаа илгэж байгаа юм байна та.
Ah!
Dad, wait! Dad, no, stop!
Тут Жими явсангүй. Завн дээр охин нь нөгөө нэг игч нь байгаа гэсэн баха. Тэгсэн чи юу нэ гэдэг тэгээд явчихж байгаа юм биш үү? Игч нь энэ дээр шоудж байгаа юм байна л да. Тэнгүүл мань Жими Майкл уурлал шүү гэнэ. Тийм ш тараараа охин нь ш.
I'm a dancer, yeah.
Hey, man, chick, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Come on, sweetheart. Take me out of here.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude.
They're shooting porno here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented our house to them last summer.
What?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer bad.
Isn't it awesome?
Let's go.
Those walls can talk.
You think I do it?
Hey,
No.
hey,
Shit,
hey, cool,
Daddy.
man.
What are you doing? Hey!
Хийх.
I don't like this.
Problem.
You're such a jerk.
Come on!
Dad, you dumbass. These guys are serious.
Yeah, well, so am I. Go to the seat of my fucking boat. Oh, motherfuckers! Get on! Now! I'm about to skin you alive! God damn it! Go!
Shit, they're coming after us. Go into the... Daddy, you just killed him.
Hey, don't worry. It's amazing what modern medicine can do.
You killed them. Oh my God, this isn't happening.
Just calm down. I did what I had to do. Let me take you back to your brother.
Яа яа. Shop.
I'm an accessory to murder.
No, you're not. You're an accessory to self-defense.
Have I like got to be a witness because I like did some blow?
You did blow.
Yeah, I did some blow, and that might like make my testimony inadmissible.
You're not admitting anything. There won't be a trial unless you're on a trial for doing blow.
There he is. Give me you, D-bag. You fucking asshole!
He's the fucking asshole, okay? He smashed my TV and he took me to the beach. The beach with my skins.
So what? You sent him out to spoil my day too?
I didn't know that he was gonna come get you. I just told him where you were. You know, he got that crazy look in his eyes, you know, like he gets sometimes, and he just went.
I'm getting a...
Тэр газарсаас чи яга намайг тэнд байгаа гэж авт хэлсэн бай.
You ruined my life.
Тэр миний тэр зургтыг эвдсэн шүү дээ. Тэгээд амар галзуурсан тийм ээ. Ууртай байгаадсаа. Тэгээд надаа хэлхээс өөр ямар ч арга байсангүй л гэх шүү. Гэтэ миний англи хэл болохоор юу л та жоохон гадарлана. Ер нь ойлгоно. Гэтэ нэг тийм сайн биш шүү guys. За охин хүү эхнэрээ уурлал айс. Жиж.
Good to see you.
За эндээс нэг такси дуудчих юм уу? Amanda, you know, too soon to bring up teens on my get. Жоо уцаж дээш нь тарж гараад би нөө юугаараа бол такси үйлчлэгээ байна аа.
Hello. Yeah, can you send out a cab to me?
I'm really sorry. I don't have any free cars right now.
Michael, my money, where is it? You don't know, is it you? Again, next time will be so much worse. Michael, миний мөнгө хаана байна? Чи над дараагийн хугацаанд үгнүүдэд итгэж байна л гэдэг шүү дээ. Үгхийг би юу н шаардж байна те. Тийм хүү тийм яриад шүү. Майкл зур гүйждэг юм шүү. За сэндээс юм шүү сус.
This downturn's really get Motherfucker! Motherfucker! Who do you think you are?
То надад бууш.
Hey, you're a real prick, you know that?
Заашаа. Мапн дээрээс харъя. Ханадтай хамгийн ойрхон нь юу вэ? Энэ юм уу? Иш явсаас. Ну гоё биш бэ?
Too close!
Гэхдээ би англи хэлийг ер нь бол сурахыг эрмэлзэж байгаа. Google зэгээ. Netflix үзэж байна. Гэхдээ би ер нь ойлгоно л да. Баг зэрэг. Тийм сайн биш. За энд юу байна?
Not now. Message from me. Get off your fat ass.
Пооны гүйлт дэмэрч юм ааш.
Relaxing for you and this for my wife.
No, I don't want to sleep with you, and no, I don't care that I'm 39 and single. It doesn't worry me a bit.
Ease.
I'm not stressed out at all. Now go fuck yourself.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just fuck you, all of you. I'm on a run.
You seem a little upset.
I could still run you into the fucking ground.
Fuck around.
I played high school football, all right, sweetheart. All state, QB.
Whatever. Just don't have a coronary. Let's go!
Whoa!
Okay, man boobs, race you to the beach! I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio.
It's running. How much gear do you need?
I feel like
Хоёул
the beach
дөтөлж мөтлөнө гэж юм байгаа штэ. Тэгж яриаг штэ.
Issue, you mean? Although that would explain a lot.
Fuck you!
Why are you so angry?
I'm not angry. I'm
Чи яагаад уурлаад байгаа юм бэ? Би бол ууртай л гэдэг шүү.
run on the road. Take that traffic head on.
Yeah, I could have guessed you were one of those.
And space is yours. Own it.
Поо, стэн нэмэгтэй ташигчид юм шүү. Hold on, guys.
You know.
The many rare.
Okay, here we go. Last push. Come on, flick the switch, Marianne. Let's go lactic.
I thought I had issues.
İstedin,
but
istedin.
you give me hope.
I own you.
My
Yeah, ure. Yeah, Filtza.
office is right near here.
Filtçle.
Wanna walk through some of that shit?
Yeah, because you're a walking advertisement for therapy. For real? Please tell me you're not having a heart attack back there.
Энэ даалгавар Filtчлээ.
Okay, man boobs, race you to the beach. I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio. I can't believe you're cheating already. Stay on the path.
Энэ намайг холдонгууд албаар хордог гүйж мүгээд энэ одоо яагаад та бэ?
No way.
Run on the road. Take that
Тэгэл амьсаагаал
Yeah, I could have guessed you were one of those.
and space is yours. Own it. Screw you, I'm running here. Hey, he still thinks he's a quarterback.
Wait.
Wonderful.
Fuck.
You're overcompensating.
Fuck.
Speed range, firing on all cylinders.
You should really think about behavioral medication.
Okay, here we go. Last push. Come on, flick the switch, Marianne. Let's go lactic.
I thought I had issues, but you give me hope.
I own you.
My shrink
За finish
You
шүү.
wanna work through some of that shit?
Yeah, because you're a walking advertisement for therapy.
1 минут 36 секунд. Яа, зүрхэн.
Totally null and void. I'd have annihilated you if you hadn't taken that shortcut.
Yeah, whatever gets you through it. Oh, my chest. Fuck me.
Screw you! You're lucky I'm tapering for a try.
Think please stuck дээр авсарс.
Don't act like a tough guy. Womba, sir.
What's up, bro? За эд рүү явсавс. Асуултын тэмдэг нь ер нь бол нэг тийм юуны даалгавар юм байна л да. Туслах гэх юм уу? Канондар ярил туслах гол дүр гэдэг ш. Тиймэрхүү дүрүүдл юм шиг байна да.
out!
Гэтэ амар хөвшөд болохоос хэцүү байд юм байна. Fireman дээр бол Rothflay хийж яхад бол ийм олон машинтай бол зүгээр Copside Drop дээр бол машинуудыг мөргөөл яваадах юм шиг шүү дээ. За нэг машин дээр ирсэн. Камера орооч.
You gonna let me in or what?
Give me a minute. I was wondering when you'd show up.
I was dead.
Praise be. Guess you weren't very dead. You need my help.
How do you know?
Because you came here. Why else would you?
I haven't been a good friend for you, Lester. I know that.
And you're gonna make it up to me by doing whatever I ask. Or rather, I mean, I need something done, you need to know something, so why not help each other?
I gotta make some dough.
So you're back in the game?
I guess. Look, Lester, about what happened before.
I know you never mentioned my name. I know I'm not on any lists anywhere. I know you never betrayed me. As for you, you gotta figure that I never told anyone. That instead of gently decomposing in North Yankton, you're angrily decomposing in Los Santos with a shrink and a wife who don't love you no more.
Well, since you put it like
Hey,
that.
shut up a minute. I'm getting an eye find alert.
Хамаатат.
That little college boy sack of shit, phony fuck.
Who? Jay Norris?
Yes, that fuck is a lying bastard. I've read his fucking emails. He's a fucking cheat.
I heard him say that he saved America.
What, by outsourcing all the jobs? By selling us little bits of plastic restricted access shit? Well, now it's payback time, you lying turd.
The hell are you talking about?
You are about to get that white-collar gig that you always dreamed of, Mikey. Here, take this, fashionably retro weird
Чубарал чуу юу вэ? Хакерч юм шүү.
And dress yourself up like a billionaire math genius, low-level asshole.
Хотыг зүгээр энд тэндээс л хараад
Minor glitch of your repulsive
камер
supremacy
болгоно
and
үзчихдэг нэг тийм л хакерч юм
Get
шиг
out
байна.
of here. Call me when you're ready. We are about to put the Darwinism back in social Darwinism. And brother, it is gonna be fun.
You fucking kidding me? I'm a bank robber, not a web designer.
So we'll go robbing soon.
Аастамтай байна.
Just like the old days.
Superman story Vinewood бүр хоошоо явах нэ. Одоо энэ дэр ингэ бензин дуусна гэж ойлд байхгүй юм да. Би сая бензин харснаа ч. Миксер угаалгын машин. Хувцсны дийлгүүр юм байна шүү дээ. Superman.
Hey, I'm gonna get right into this. Vis-a-vis the script, it's fantastic. I mean,
Excuse me. I got this interview with this tech company. Thinking I need something, I don't know, geeky, youthful.
Lost your job and the world's moved on, huh? That's too bad.
I didn't lose my job.
Of course. Got too old, got outsourced. Same thing happened to my dad. Now you gotta fit in with a different generation. Hmm? What about a vest and some cargo shorts?
Alright.
Өөрөө сонгоод аваад утгах шүү дээ. За энэ гоё юм байна. За окей.
Dignity aside, I think that might just work. Good luck at the interview.
Goodbye.
I am sorry, please.
Саяны ээдвэсгч чинь энэ Лестер юм биш үү?
Now you want to run me through this thing?
The prototype is somewhere in the Life Invader office. Find it and fit it with the device in your bag.
They just gonna let me in?
Why wouldn't they if you look the part? Hang around till someone opens the door and act entitled.
Fine.
Live Inventor.
Hey.
Oh, great. PM's pushing for more functionality. But we are maxed. I mean, if anything, we have to strip features, especially if we plan on releasing a fully priced update a year later. Oh, you know, it's...
Yeah, well, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know?
I mean, we're talking beta in Q4, maybe Q3. Look, milestones are one thing, but when design is changing its mind seemingly overnight, there's not much you can do about it. You know what I'm saying?
My union allocated smoke breaks about up, so...
Wait a minute. Do I know you?
Yeah, I think so.
IT temp, right?
Yeah.
You know, you gotta do something for me.
You gotta put it in a ticket.
No. I'd like to keep this one out of the database, if you know what I mean. I'm totally becoming a tech
Програм.
evangelist when the big boys
Энэ програмчин залуу юм биш
I'll
үү?
evangelize anything. Even evangelize.
За эндээс нэг юм өстөд манай Лестер чи хакер чинь те тэгвэл эндээс нэг юм хотыг яах нэг тийм програм хулгайлах нь уу эндээс очиж авах нь уу?
Here you go. If you guys let me use the OS I requested, this wouldn't be a problem.
Скот эдний IPTV те IP руу сервер руу нэвтрэх юм бол what the fuck? Вирус цэцэн маш
Got
юм
any
бэ?
antivirus software?
I think so. Behind this junk on the left. Clicked an NSFW link, bro. Bit me on the ass.
Yeah, not safe for work, huh? You know, my son's computer runs into the same kind of problems. I'll close the pop-ups, see what I can do.
Your son codes? Start him early, bro. You write your best stuff in your tweens.
Scanning.
You want a massage? Cause
Оо
my hands are
энэ
free.
устгасан чи баардгүй.
These hacker kids always come up with a new way to screw the network.
Ёо.
idiots. And that should do it. Why don't you try and keep things strictly safe for work from now on?
Hey, have you seen the prototype in the demo room? When Norris announces it at the keynote, minds are gonna blow.
Yes, they are.
Яатсан газар юм бэ? Ажлаасаа шүү та нар. Хай. Кино шиг юм бэ? За гасус.
Nice.
GP-ийн хотой. GP-гээ солилцлоо шүү дээ. Цүнхээ мартлаа ой.
Making history, dude. Hey, and we couldn't do it without the little guys. Bye now.
Thank you very much. Ачаа саксуу юм аа. Just. Sorry.
You're gonna have to learn the foot bang if you want to get a job here. Okay, follow me.
Some a-hole drank my effing hemp milk. There was a totally non-passive-aggressive note on it. If I drown in mucus,
Замбараг ажилдаг гарууд байна. Харвшишна.
Let me get the door for you.
Michael House. What the hell? Волейбол.
Oh my god! Get out of fucking way.
Hey, Michael, hold on. Domed! I domed ya!
Lester, the things in the prototype.
Гэрлүүгээ чи зурагтаар юм үздэг шүү байсан даа сая.
Are you playing that game?
Санаа лайв гэж одоо шууд TV л гарах юм байна л да.
All the same. Besides, you know me.
Тэр ихтэй яриад үзэх юм байна.
Classic Vinewood ended 30 years ago. Now it's just superheroes,
Цааш
romantic
дурдсан
comedies,
GP-гийн
and
суулчих
remakes.
шиг
None of
болсон
which
да.
interest me.
Hey, I believe this country can still make interesting movies. There's no better way to define American life than a 2-hour plot in which the hero looks good and
oh my god, you guys are so lame.
Out.
No, I'm watching Fame or Shame.
fucking tits. Give me up.
За энэ шүү дээ лайв. Visit news. White J Morris. Norris-ийг хүлээ хэлээд байгаа шүү дээ. Энэ саний тэр утасны те юу юм зохион бүтээгч юм шүү. Тэгээд тэр утсаа үзэгчд танилцуулж байгаа юм шүү. What? Prototype font. Энэ лөө залга гэд тэгээд байгаа юм биш та. Holy shit. Joy Morris, you know.
Oh, Jesus! Whoa! Let's... Whoa!
Утас руу залгаад тэр утас нь шүү дэлбэрчиж байгаа юм байна шүү дээ. Амар.
Les, that was heavy. You watching the news?
I don't have to. I'm watching the markets. I'll be trading pure alpha till close.
All right. Hey, about that other thing. You know, the score.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Let's do it. Put on a suit, look somewhat professional, and meet me at my warehouse off the LS freeway. Oh, and I'm about to email you a link for the exchange. You can put in some trades of your own.
I'm trying to stay off the day trading. But maybe I'll take a look.
Just зүгээр юм те. Ихнэр залууж байна.
Oh, you don't have to call to tell me that.
Not you, the Dieter Sack store detective. There's been a misunderstanding. I need you to help clear it up.
Лайл.
Yeah, but see, if I help you out, you're never gonna learn.
Screw you, Michael. The lawyer's fees are coming out of your account.
Jesus, Michael, you look like a bum. Put something nice on. When you look decent, we can go.
юу юм бэ? Орохгүй байсан юм уу?
You're wasting my time.
What?
The sooner you change, the sooner we can find you a score.
Яа болохгүй.
You're boring me, Michael. Just go change.
Хүү хувцас солиод байгаа юм уу?
You're not pacing a joint with you looking like that.
Дөрөв минут өртгөлөхгүй. Цагдаа ажуулалт бол нэг хувцас хөтөлбөр байх ёстой. Тийшүүлэх бас. Smart outfit. Smart outfit.
Whoa, hey there.
Smart outfit.
Whatever it is you're looking for.
Үнд. Буулц ч идвэстэй гадаа.
No way, amigo. Not while you got cops on the
Hello, sweetheart.
up.
How are you?
Намайг яагаад цагдаа өгж байгаа?
LSPD, I will kill you. Take him down.
What?
What? Shouted, meet me.
Just be practical. Очлоо. Чатахгүй.
Hello there.
Practically you got sharp the shooting.
Seriously?
Такси дуудаа.
Hey, I need a cab. On its way, sir. Thanks for calling. Cool.
нэрчт.
Where you headed, homie?
Strawberry.
Sure thing, man.
Ингээд таам байдаг юм аа.
Okay, buddy. There you go.
I don't want to know. What the fuck? I mean, what the hell going on here?
Wait a minute. Franklin, what are you doing here?
I live here. This half my house too.
So you say? Anyway, Magenta is
Чи юу
free
хийж
and
байгаа
big
гэсэн
break.
чинь энэ бол миний баашин штэ миний тимийн таатар байна. Бид нарын ажилтаа цаашаа яв. Их ч юм уу ээж юм уу мэдгүй. Я ламаар явж.
Gangster shit, nigga. Look who's back. What's happening with it, man?
Oh, no. Show some respect
Skap.
here, nigga. That man, they couldn't hold down.
Сэлдэж яаж.
Come on now. Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth. What this fool just say? Missed you, dog. Oh, you missed me, huh?
Энийг болохоор Franklin ер нь бол families юм шиг байгаа gang, families-ийн gang гэх юм шиг. То фотографс нарахгүй families-ийн лого ус.
Hey, but I see you doing well for yourself. Check that on that.
Фотограф дээр
That's what I hear. But I know some sweet boys up in the pen that got bigger balls than you. You been doing your time looking at sweet boy balls? Yeah, it's good to have confirmation. This funny fuck. Why you keep hanging around this clown, L? Shake this fool,
We
man.
from the same set, Stretch. Why y'all niggas can't get along? Y'all been doing this shit for years, man.
You know what, dawg? It's good you back home. Glad you here. Missed you, boy. Damn, you definitely got hit up on something. Hit up? Hey. Yo, motherfucker, I know little niggas like you been turned out on the daily. Talking about being hit up, nigga, I swear, man. You ain't got no motherfucking respect. Motherfucker, I got respect for reality. Reality? Alright, you keep thinking that. Just keep thinking that, nigga. Shit, you gonna get yours. Fuck you. I swear, man.
Strizette, come on, man. Cool
what the
out.
fuck,
Chill, man.
This motherfucker get on my goddamn
The
nerves.
nigga get on my nerves too, man. Part of the nigga charm. man.
gang-ууд
Yeah,
ийм л
cool,
байдаг
man.
бах та тий.
Man, you gonna drive or what, Bill?
Drive where? Pick up this heat, nigga. Why?
Business, nigga.
Business, nigga.
Y'all niggas act like girls.
Shit, I mean shit. Ammunition, come on, let's go.
За бууны дэлгүүр өнөж.
Shit, homie, you gonna drop all that bread on that gear, you might as well get a haircut too.
Fucking crazy-haired microphone motherfucker. I got a microphone I can shove right in your prison pocket. Nigga, you walk like you keister and shit anyway. You know when I went
Чта
away,
5-ны
punks was
байгаа
little
шат. Чта
homies.
6-ны
Now was a
бүр
big
ёо.
homie.
Дэйн
Now
багос
you little
дээ.
homies is big homies. But you still gotta respect. Man, what the fuck this nigga talking about?
We all big homies, but he bigger, right?
Exactly. Man, that's some fucking pyramid scheme bullshit.
Pyramids is good, man. Illuminati pharaoh shit. As soon as we get this shit, as soon as we get paid, homie.
Ammunition. Armorer to the stars.
Hey, what's up, man?
Firing range is in the back, and all our weapons are customizable.
Oh, hell yeah. You can trick your blam blam out up in here.
Quit all that. Just straight up
Энэ гоо яг энэ нэг дээрэмд нэ.
I got this, you clowns.
Ooh, homie, get the shotty with the flashlight on.
Hey, you got cash?
Oh, you flat, homie? I would think you was fiending, but ain't no fiends that fat. Take this cheese, you old broke-ass bitch.
Why the fuck am I the only one buying this? Cause we got sheep.
What? Pump shotgun and flashlight mode гэжтэй. Okay. АК авахгүйсэн байна. Надад pump shotgun хийсэн байна.
Hey, you got cash?
Oh, you flat, homie? I would think you was fiending, but ain't no fiends that fat. Take this cheese, you old broke-ass bitch.
Okay, so now you get the flashlight. Why the fuck am I the only one buying this? Cause we got sheets, homie. Now shut the fuck up and come on.
Man, let's do this shit.
Нара Lords гэдэг амар гоё шээ.
Hey, listen up. I want to be crystal fucking clear. Nothing E-Buy ain't got
Flashlight
anything to do with us.
шүү дээ.
Yeah, you know, we got felonies and we ain't touching shit.
I ain't even looking.
We ain't window shopping.
Ooh, it's hot as hell up in here, homie. Yeah, real shit, my nigga. You can buy this shit, go to Mexico, take that shit to the bank.
Hell no, nigga. We got felonies, nigga. Ain't nobody doing that shit. We legit as a motherfucker on this right now, man. Just chill. You gonna buy that shit I don't know nothing about?
Windows flashlight юм та.
Now, how the hell you work in a shop like this all day long without feeling the need to grab a gun, just walk out the door and shoot somebody? I think they do a psych test to make sure people working here don't do shit like that. A psych test?
Man, you see this nigga right here? He look every bit of 5150.
Man, shut up.
Oh, choosy ass only child motherfucker. Man, let's do this shit.
Тэр нэг юм байх гад байна да.
We ain't window shopping.
Энэ штэ.
Now just let me reinstate, man, that the purchases made by this man ain't got nothing to do with the two gentlemen of felon nature.
That's right. Yeah.
Take us down to that one spot where the base heads be taking their cans at. You know, on Fringe in La Puerta.
You got some cans or some shit I don't know about?
Nah, homie. We got ourselves a drug deal.
Why do I get the feeling it's gonna be one of them deals gone wrong type situations? Now, see, that's that negative attitude Lamar was telling me about, nigga. You ain't getting nowhere thinking like that. The power of positive bullshit. You ought to be clenching your motherfucking vagina muscles with my aunt, nigga.
After his bid, it probably need tightening up.
Тэр бүр нэг гэдэг амар гоё хэлж байгаа л.
Get what you give, fool. You've been
Нэг
getting dick, but you ain't giving it, huh? Some Mark talk like
Монголоо
that
зүгээр
to an
найзаа
OG.
тэ андаа л юм уу да.
No wonder the hood is so lame right now. Speaking of change, Lamar's been meaning to talk to you, homie.
Nah, not now, homie.
What's happening?
It's nothing, my nigga, nothing, you know, just some ideas. That's
За
all.
миний анд таашраа.
So put it on me.
It's nothing real, homie. When it's something real, we'll talk.
Bullshit, man. It's realer than this crap.
All right, homie, we meeting in here.
How'd you find this place?
Homie set it up.
It's the kind of spot where we ain't gonna be disturbed. That's what the fuck worries me. I'm more of a hide in the plain sight type of nigga. No, you more of a punk bitch type nigga.
What's up, fool?
What up with
We got that shit, nigga, with a paper at. Nigga, I'm talking about boo.
Эдгээр нь болохоор баалаас нь штэ араа.
What's up, boy? Everything cool? Hold on, man. What the fuck, man? You was just kidnapping this nigga. Oh, come on, dog.
No real recognize real.
D, my nigga, just got out crossing lines, did some time with some of your folks. Hey, look, this ain't about you.
Эдгээр нь баалаас юм ба штэ.
What the fuck is you talking about, man?
Юу дотроос юу вэ?
Somebody creeping on us? They put a nigga on TV, man, about some gang intervention shit.
За баг шүдэг гавьдрлээ.
Some ballers bullshit. Nigga, that's some bullshit. Hey, we been set up, nigga. This shit fucked up. You, nigga.
Yeah.
We doing this or what? Come on. That fucking D set us up.
Fuck. I said lay low after you got caught.
You lay low, motherfucker. That ain't me.
I can see that. Come on, little homie. Let's do this. Enough with all that shit. We on our way.
Cover me, homie. I'ma hit this. Fuck!
Pop me and get it over with. Fire him up! Fuck you!
You going first next time, no fool.
Shit, nigga, then we all be dead. Not me, nigga.
Балаас хаа. Дороо.
You gonna get chipped, old bitch ass boy.
Man, bullshit!
You handled that fool.
Yeah, and I'd handle him again. Many times as it takes, shit.
Man, I don't want your clumsy ass falling down these stairs, fool. They was a safety hazard before blood got spilled all over the place. Nigga, we gangbang.
This is fuck. Fuck you! Man, ain't hard for you.
Хүү хүрээ. Би өвчлээ. One shot. За яах.
Come on, through here. That fucking team set us up.
Fuck! I said lay low after you got cropped.
You ain't no motherfucker, that ain't me.
I can see that.
We outnumbering this little ninja bitch.
Here again?
Your homie dead.
Төвчс. Олимзиг юм бэ? Армор авдаг гэж тэ.
We doing this or what? Come on. That fucking team set us up.
Fuck! I said lay low after you got cropped.
You ain't no motherfucker, that ain't me.
I can see that. Rounds, man.
This last motherfucker got to go.
Bang this motherfucker! Now that you pop that little pump, we really fucked. Man, you shouldn't have put me in the room with that snitch.
Cover me, homie. I'ma hit this.
Цааш.
Never fucking learn. This change.
Ламар нүхчл.
Come on, through here. That fucking team set us up.
I said lay low after you got cropped.
You ain't no motherfucker, that ain't me.
I can see that.
It's 3-on-1 right now.
This is fuck.
You about to have a bunch of dead homies.
What kind of dumb motherfucker would trust that motherfucker?
It look good on paper is all I'm gonna say. Cover me, homie. I'ma hit this. Fuck!
Fuck you!
You going first next time, no fool.
Nigga, then we all be dead. Not me, nigga.
Hey, baller, you the one getting booked.
Man, pop me and get it over with.
Families ain't no more.
Did you think to work out an exit while you set up this meet?
There's always a way out, motherfucker, and we gonna find it. Man, I don't want your clumsy ass falling down these stairs, fool. They was a safety hazard before blood got spilled all over the place.
Here again?
Nigga, we gangbang.
Fuck you! Man, I ain't going down for you.
Respect. See what's up ahead, homie. Come on. We ain't gonna run. Fuck that. Get out.
That's gangster. You see that shit? It's on fire, man! Alright, we gotta go then!
We almost popped all these dudes.
I'm finna show you how an OG handle this shit. That's something I don't need to see.
They got my number, man. Go ahead.
Fire him up! Lamar, what the fuck you get us into?
You the fool wanted to make money with this shit intertwined. You hear that? One time. I'ma follow you for a minute.
Hey, here's the exit.
This the way out. right, dog. RC and I gonna cause us some trouble. Clap 'em, homie.
Тоцайтан нартай байлтнаа.
Damn, homie, watch
Манай
that
гоос
shit,
чуа.
bro. We almost there.
Тэгэлтэй тэгэл.
Up here. We gotta drop this heat. On our way. Man, out that motherfucker right now. Out.
Move, bitch!
Drive. You a sad motherfucker, bitch. Down you go, motherfucker.
That's a nasty ass shot. You real.
Run up on us, oh.
Oh, you see that shit? But what the fuck?
Shit, oh.
This how gangsters do. Okay.
You the new kind of motherfucker.
Юу ч юм гоё юм бэ.
Come on. Shady motherfucker.
You trying to run up on me? Yeah. Oh, shit.
Хадаа юм шиг суучаач.
That ain't hood.
Суу.
Damn. Nothing righteous about this shit. Acting like big dog.
Яа, тусаамсаа.
Man, you make a punk look like a G. You gonna lose him or what? Man, leave us be, motherfuckers. Man, where the rollers at? Man, stop driving all conspicuous and shit.
Бас ингэж харуулт юм уу? Вау. Чад эндээс олвол тэгээд стрим снайпстэй.
That's it. We lost him. Now take us somewhere where we can get it in, homie.
Боо, машинаас үлээ.
Hey, what the hell you walked me into back there? Shit, man, you the one popped his ass. I did the necessary.
Yeah, thank you for that, dawg.
This all on you, LD, lanky dumbass.
Оо, энэ юм шиг бэ.
Hey, I ain't know the fools was gonna roll on us.
If you started something with the ballers, shit, I don't care if you CGF for life, man. You done. Done, you dig?
Actually, we ain't CGL for life, cause all that means is we giving you money for nothing. We got our own shit now, homie. Foreign gangsters.
Oh, no, he don't mean that, Lo. F just talking outside his neck.
I'ma reach cross lines, alright? Conversate with the purple homies.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man. Smart shit. Here we are, man. You gonna hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell no, nigga. You sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day.
Hell
Nah,
yeah.
nigga, I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
He's a hook-ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark-ass bitch.
Стамина нэмэгдэж байна. Стопцоо солиё. Udi families.
Why you got to make all that racket?
За Майкл хаана байна? Чот энд удчихсан юм ааш. Цагдын гүр өнгөрөөд байгаа шүү дээ.
Yeah, who's this?
It's Ricky from Life Invader. I know you're the bro who deactivated Jay, bro.
Oh, I have no idea what you're talking about, pal.
What you do is your business, bro. Anyway, Jay really got a big head once people started calling him a god. Guess you proved he wasn't one. They reintegrated my team in Burundi after the design got signed off. And now, my shares ain't worth dick.
Sorry about that.
I need work, and I thought maybe you could provide. I mean, I'm smart enough to track you down, aren't I?
I guess you are. Hey, I'll be in touch if anything comes up. Oh!
Jesus, Michael, you look like a bum. Put something nice on. The sooner you change, the sooner we can find you a score.
Тэгэхгүй энэ тал Smart outfit. Гонч хослол өмсөх юм бах та. Taş өдөр машина гэртээ авчид гэрээсээ хосол өмсөд такси яриад очих хэвээр.
Is peace and quiet too much to ask for?
Hey, knock it, that slob!
What the fuck? Юу ирцмэсэн бэ? Holy shit.
Hi. Can I get a cab?
No problem. I'll have one there in a couple of minutes.
Great.
Ямар ч асуудалгүй 5 минутын дараа очлоо. Гшүүллээ шүү дээ. За тэр доороос л нэг такси ирж байгаа шүү дэрлээ энэ да.
So, where do you want to go?
Lamis?
Гэс ингээ явчихлаа.
Okay, buddy. There you go.
Оо. Өглөө болчихдог гэсэн та.
Mike, I said look nice. You put a suit on, please?
No vales la pena.
You're wasting my time.
Get changed into your smart outfit or your wardrobe. Rob. Одоо ойлгос. Дээрмээ овц хүмүүс юм шүү дээ ямар ч хамаагүй. Султан.
Don't act like a tough guy.
Oh, hi.
Бас гранат.
Yeah, just have a look around. Okay.
Маск тас байхгүй юм шүү дээ.
shit!
재밌다 들어가는.
How did the interview go?
What? Oh, yeah. That didn't work out so good. I don't think my hair...
I wouldn't wear most of this myself, I have to admit.
Smart word. Энд байхгүй юм байна. Энд нэг дэлгүүр байгаа.
Oh!
Holy shit!
I can tell you have good taste.
5,000 гэсэн ч үнэтэй юм шүү дээ. Тэрс.
You hood, chop.
За guys. Дараачихаа энэ хүрээд 2 дугаар анги буюу бичлэгээ энд хүргээд өндөрлөе доо guys.